Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about Python applications. That means what kind of applications we can develop by using the Python. So I have developed a couple of applications, and going forward, I'll show you um, in which use case we will use Python and what are the main advantages with Python. So yeah, let's start with this. Okay, this is image classification. This is one of deep learning a TensorFlow related application. That means this is a deep learning framework. So here what I'm trying to do, I'll try to upload one image. Based on image, it will predict. For example, I have already trained this model by using cat and dag data sets. So here I'm trying to upload cat. If I try to submit, so the prediction is cat. And yeah, we'll see for another image, dogs, dog. Okay, sometimes it will predict accuracy or not, so it's purely depending on model. So the accuracy is very least, so that's why it's not giving the perfect. But this is one of the application developed by Python. So here is the backend code. You can see, yeah, I have developed CNN framework by using this, and I have stored the entire model related results in model.h5, and based on that, I'm feeding data into API. This is the Flask API. So based on that, it will giving the results. So this is one of the application purely developed by using the Python with integrated with the Flask. Okay, and the second one, so this is dash application. Purely we are using this dash for visualization related purpose. So here you can see, this is a global terrorism database. If you select country, based on the country, automatically the data will be reflected. You can see here. Yeah. So this is also purely developed by Python. This is dash application. And so here is the backend code for the same. Yeah, global terrorism, and this is index.py, and this is the data. So based on data only I have developed. I'm not showing the entire code, but this is some high level application. So this is the one, and third one you can see here. So this is also one of the API level. In last videos, that means in my previous videos, I have shown how to install SSMS, and how we can create database, and how we can create a table. Mostly table related I have not shown, but going forward I'll show you how to create a table. So you can see here, so this is a table related data, and I have created table, and I try to insert data into the table. So I'm truncating the data here. So execute, data has been truncated, and if I'm trying to see, there is no data. So what this API will do, let me show you. Okay, if you select any file, file means it should match with metadata. So under Python practice, and API load, okay, files, test. Here I am trying to upload a file, test.csv. If I submit, okay, automatically data will be uploaded in the backend table. I have already configured like that. You can see here, data has loaded successfully into the table. So by using one of the file upload mechanism, we can directly integrate with any one of the database. So this is the advantage. And another one also, this is also one of the dash application for COVID cases. You can see here, this is also completely developed by Python only. This is completely, the backend code was completely developed by Python. And another application, yeah, this is the same. um, API testing related. So some teams using API testing for integrating with a database. For example, whatever you see the data here, for example, name, here you can see Kumar, Raj, Krishna, Sanjay, and Bhargav. So these all are the records. The same records you can see here, ID and name. So this is a JSON format. The request you can see, this is a JSON format. That means it's a semi-structured data. Okay. And if I try to truncate the table, okay, there is no data here. You can see test. Yeah, there is no data. And if you try to refresh, there is no results here. And let me try to upload the same data. Choose file, submit. Next, data has been loaded successfully. If you try to run the same command, you can see the data. And next, the last one is, some people might familiar with this kind of student login page. So here, just to see the records, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let me try to add one more record, sixth record, and I'm sample giving name as Sai. Login, new user added. If you try to refresh table, new user added 6. Yeah, this is from API to database integration. So these are a couple of applications, and we have a lot of applications using Python. So what are the main advantages with Python means we can do for data engineering and data analysis and machine learning and deep learning and data science related applications. And we have a lot by using the Python. So just for sample related purpose, I have shown these things. So yeah, this is my official blog, Tech Talks Hub Blogspot. So here, yeah, you can see here, learn Python and why Python and what is the importance of Python. Here you can see here. So we have a lot of programming languages, but Python is more popular. Why Python is more popular than compared to other languages? So here I am showing with some basic examples. Some people might have familiar with Java and .NET and C and C sharp and different programming languages. Might be scripting language or programming language, whatever it is. So here, if you try to print a simple hello in Java, so this is the syntax. First of all, you should have to download all predefined modules, and after that, this is the syntax of code. So if you won't give this complete code, it won't print anything. So this is the Java style. And next, if you try to print simple hello in C, so this is the one. Next, yeah, if you are trying to print any, I mean, simple hello in C sharp, so this is the code. And while looking this, and this is the last one using the Python. Okay, print to hello. This is Python 2 syntax, and print to hello. This is Python 2 and Python 3 syntax. So it will support for both Python 2 and 3. While looking this code, you can easily understand Python, how much flexible and how simply we can write code in Python. Simple English format. We need not to import any kind of predefined modules, and we need not to import any kind of user defined modules or whatever it is. That means these kind of, you need not to create any kind of class or object. So whatever it is, simply print hello, it will print the results. In previous video I have shown already. So this is the test. Yeah, I am removing everything from here, or else let me create another file, new file. mm, or else let me comment the entire file. I'll show you how to comment in further videos, but just see, print hello, just run here. You can see here hello, this is the one. So by looking this code, you can easily understand why Python is very simple. And here I have given basic examples. Why Python? Okay, it's a flexible language. Then compared to other programming languages, it's very flexible and less complex and less time taken. Okay, and next thing is supporting for all databases. I'll show. I mean, here I have already shown this is a SQL Server database, and it will support for Oracle and MySQL and MongoDB. Um, those all are the different databases. Python support for all databases, and it support for oops concept. So some people might familiar with the Java background, so they are familiar with the oops concept. So object oriented programming concepts might be multi-threading and encapsulation and multi-processing, such kind of things included in oops concept. And the last one is a high level scripting language. Python is high level scripting language. So why I am telling high level means, so probably assembly languages are low level. That means in some people might have easy background, those people might aware about the assembly language 8085 microprocessor and microcontroller related. So high level scripting language means we are interacting with the programming language in a simple English manner. So that's why we are calling as a high level. And it's in scripting language. Scripting language means code it is analyzing line by line based on interpreter. So it's not compiler based, it's interpreter based. That's why we are calling as a scripting language. Next, applications level. So if we are looking applications level, so just now I have shown one of the deep learning framework. So same like we'll use machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization. Data visualization also you have seen in practical in Dash. You can see here. Yeah. Next, web scraping applications. So we can read the data from web. So in such kind of applications, we'll use and automation. So we'll use in automation and web development. So probably Django and Flask. So whatever I was integrated in from UI to backend based on the Django and Flask only. So this is web development. That means it's communicating from UI to database and home automation. So probably in IoT, Internet of Things, and using Raspberry Pi, will use Python for more integrations. So that's all about this video, guys. So please subscribe for more content. Yeah, thank you.